New at 4, Powell's is closed early again today because of a protest. Now, Powell's Books announced they would not carry local right-wing blogger Andy Ngo's book on their shelves, but will online. Powell's decision followed a protest outside the store yesterday and again today. Now, Ngo rose to national prominence as an outspoken critic of Antifa after activists attacked him for documenting a milkshake-themed protest in Portland in 2019. That is Ngo right there in the video. His book, Unmasked, Inside Antifa's Radical Plan to Destroy Democracy, is slated for release in February. So Ngo sent us this statement just a few hours ago saying, given that Powell's dedicates part of every year to banned and censored books, it's a shame they've made the decision to restrict in-store sales of a book by a local author weeks ahead of release. However, I also have sympathy for them given how ruthless Antifa has been in vandalizing and hurting local businesses. You can also read the full statement from Powell's right now at coin.com.